Hi, I'm Shannon and I'm a small business owner. I give ClickUp 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Prior to switching to ClickUp, my small business used Google Sheets and Google Drive to share stuff. And that just really wasn't working because people would forget to update things, or they would update it and then notifications wouldn't go through, and it just made it really, really hard to keep up with what was going on in the business and where we were and what we were doing. So I went looking for something else, and we decided to give ClickUp a try, and we've been using it ever since. We chose ClickUp because it kind of consolidated everything down. It says it's one app for everything, and it truly is. So we had all of our docs in there. We can tag people in different things that need to get done, and they get those notifications within ClickUp, as well as email notifications, so everybody knows what's going on when. We could really separate things out into different boards and different spaces so that we could really get things lined up, and it was a much better flow for whatever projects we were doing. So it's been really amazing. The team likes it. I like it. It's really streamlined everything and definitely has saved us some time and effort of trying to track down who's supposed to be doing what, because they hadn't received any notifications prior to that. So it's really helped keep things right on track and get done on time. Bringing ClickUp into our business wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. They have tons of tutorials which really walk you through everything and how to set it up initially for your business and how you want it. So following those made it really easy. I actually set up everything all by myself and then just walked the team through it later. So super easy setup, super simple to really get started. And if you run into any problems, their customer service is A+, and they will totally help you with anything. And they'll even jump on a Zoom with you as well to get you really going. So that all together just made it a really nice, simple switch from what we were using to ClickUp. Advice: if you're thinking about getting ClickUp, do it. It has saved so much time in my business. It has helped my team members communicate more efficiently between each other. It's helped projects get done on time. So advice: definitely trial it first in case it maybe doesn't work for your business. I doubt it, but you never know. And so trial it, talk to their customer service team, let them walk you through a demo. They're super nice over there, and I guarantee that you will fall in love with it like I did, and you will find yourself definitely ready to reach for it. It definitely saves time in everything you're doing. So if you're looking to save time and not have to switch between 5 or 6 different apps like I used to, ClickUp is what you want.